like a 6 out of 10? Alright, so now we maybe just wait for him to let go.
If I let go of him, he'll probably...
Damn, bro!
Dude, he is latched on there.
Oh, he doesn't want to let go. I think he
likes you.
I think he does. I want to touch him, but I think he's going to keep ripping.
No, if you let go, he's probably just going to let go and fall to the floor. If you support him like that, he'll probably just let go. You can't pull away, though, or else he's going to clamp down harder. How does that feel?
It kind of sucks. I want him to let go. Ah! Bro! No, get it off! This is a terrible idea. What was I thinking?
You have to...
Okay, I raise it.
I don't think I can take on any more clients. Raise your rates. By how much? Enough to lose some clients. That makes no sense. If you doubled your rates and lost half your clients, you'd still be making the same amount of income. And you'd have twice as much time to develop your business. That makes a lot of sense. I don't think I can take on any more clients. Raise your rates. By how much? Enough to lose some clients. That makes no sense. If you doubled your rates and lost half your clients,